how to resize an image in photopea.com. What we're going to do in today's video, but first make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And also don't forget to watch our previous tutorials. We have many playlists sorted for each app, and let's get started right away. So the first step to start resizing is clicking on Ctrl+Shift+T. You can now start to drag the image from any point to resize it, as you can see. But to resize with unlinking the height and the width, you gotta click on Shift while dragging, and as you can see now, we're dragging the width as its own and as its own. As you can see, while dragging from here, the aspect ratios are not linked and the aspect ratios are not even. They're not the same as the beginning of dragging. So this is resizing by dragging, and if you wanna resize using the percentages and the numbers up there, you can choose to change the height and the width by numbers, by percentage, or by pixels. You can also change the position from here, from the X and Y. You can choose also, as you can see, the width to increase the width percentage or the height percentage from here. Unlink them from the button in between them. And that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And have a nice day.